Hi, I'm Newey from the UK, and with Hair of Istanbul I found it very, very exciting and nervous, but there's always someone there that tells you each step of the way, and that's what I needed personally. And to finish off the trip as well, they took me on a tour of Istanbul, and they fed me, they wash you, feed and water you all the time, and I very enjoyed my experience.
Hello, my name is Josh Grotto. I'm from New Zealand, and I came here just about 3 days ago now, and essentially my experience here has been quite amazing. The second I got out of the airport, I got picked up by very professional people from Hair of Istanbul. One thing I noticed right away is everyone that works at this company has great hair, so it's already a great selling point. And then pretty much as things progressed, the people were very friendly, they were very helpful, they made the whole process very comfortable, and the procedure and everything was actually a lot easier than I imagined, and it was pretty much no pain at all. I was thinking I'd feel something and I didn't. And they even went out of their way to take me to town and show me a bit of Istanbul, which was absolutely amazing. I got to see some really amazing places, some very historic buildings that I wouldn't see anywhere else, anywhere in New Zealand. And yeah, it's just been a great experience, and I would highly recommend anyone that wants to get a hair transplant to come here.